Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Naturalydre. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this lovely banana bread using any ripe leftover banana. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 180 Celsius, but if you have Fahrenheit or gas, you would want to do 350 Fahrenheit or gas Mark 4. In preparation for this video, I've already measured my ingredients, so I'll run through them now with you. Okay, so you'll need 2 eggs, 225 grams of self-raising flour, you'll also need 175 grams of caster sugar, 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the better. 100 grams of softened butter. You'll need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You usually need 2 tablespoons of milk, but I like to use half a cup. And for extra flavour, I also like to use a bit of vanilla extract. Right, so it's time to mix all your ingredients together. I normally start off with the butter and sugar. I usually use a more luxurious butter for baking, but all I had was Kerry-made lard. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the butter and sugar together. You can use a wooden spoon for this, but I chose to use a normal spoon. Alright, once that's mixed, you can go in and add your self-raising flour. I like to part the flour in the center so I can go ahead and add the egg before mixing everything together. I'm not sure why I do this, but it's really satisfying to do it before mixing everything. As you can see, my mix is quite stiff because I did use the Kerry-made lard instead of a more soft, luxurious butter. So this is why I'm using half a cup of milk. So once that is mixed really well, you can go ahead and add your baking powder, and you can add vanilla extract if you prefer. So now it's time to mash your 2 ripe bananas in a bowl. As I mentioned before, the riper they are, the better. Once you have fully mashed the bananas, you can go ahead and add it to the mixture. Now I'm going to switch it up and use my mixer to make sure that all ingredients are well blended. Now I am greasing the non-stick baking parchment, but you can grease the loaf tin and line it with the non-stick baking parchment if you wish. This is honestly one thing that I can never do gracefully. Moving on, all you need to do is spoon the mixture into the prepared tin and level the surface. Okay, that's all you need to do, guys. Now you can go ahead and bake it for about an hour until it is well risen and golden brown. So the banana bread has been baking for about an hour, so I've decided to test it out with a fine skewer, and I've inserted it inside and it should come out clean. Yep, there we go. This is a great indicator to show that your cake is fully baked. Voila, so there you have it guys, a beautifully baked banana bread. Make sure to leave the cake to cool in the tin for a few minutes. Once your cake has cooled for a few minutes, you can remove this from the tin and slice thickly to serve. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel and subscribing and liking my videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share my video. Leave a comment down below to let me know if you have tried this recipe and how you thought it turned out. I just want to say, with all that is going on with coronavirus, just be sure to stay safe and stay home if you can.